Hi everyone, today is collagen brand review number 14. It is another powder collagen. It is a bovine collagen. It's not a multi-collagen today. We are talking about a bovine collagen. This company actually makes two different formulas. They're very, very similar, but just a couple of different ingredients in them. So let's talk about it. They break it up into separate categories, the collagen, even though they're both bovine collagens. So that has me question sourcing and quality. So collagen hydrolysate is one, and this, I'm just going to talk about one formula first. Collagen peptides is listed second, 5 grams of each. Great, fantastic. You have 10 grams, but because you're not really disclosing like why it's separated out like that, I suspect that the collagen peptide formula is not very absorbable. It's not showing the molecular size, how it's hydrolyzed or anything like that. And then the collagen hydrolysate is typically going to be smaller molecular size. So they're sliding in larger molecular structure with larger molecular structure. With the larger molecular structure, it's likely going to have a lower absorbability. There is that vitamin C in there. However, they are using the synthetic version of ascorbic acid, which is typically grown on GMO corn. So could potentially have glyphosate in it. Hey, Lori. So there's that. Let's talk about so vitamin C, great. There's only 45 milligrams in there. It's not really going to provide any antioxidant. It's going to help support the absorption of collagen a little bit, but not a whole lot. The sourcing of the bovine collagen, we talked about this last week. It is a combination of skin and hide. It's another way for them to increase the profit margin and create lower costs for themselves, because the hide has a lower density of collagen in it. It's cheaper to produce, and it is often not as pure. So there's a lot of impurities in it, which is going to affect the structure of it. It's not going to be as good quality. So they're mixing the skin and the hide to save themselves money, but producing a lower quality collagen for you. So that's one thing to watch out for with bovine collagens, is where is the source? Is it the skin or the hide, or a combination of? What you want for the highest quality collagen and the best source of purity and density of collagen is going to be the skin, sourced from the skin, not the hide. I actually posted a chart on where I brought this up the other day, and you can see it on there, and it shows the different reasons why. But anyways, the 10 grams, great, but it's low quality. It's not going to be as absorbable, so not going to give that greater results. Now, one of the things that's missing from this formula for good joint health and better moisture for the skin is the hyaluronic acid. So instead of hyaluronic acid, they're using another ingredient. They're using what they call ceramides, and this is just not going to be as effective as hyaluronic acid. It's cheaper than hyaluronic acid. So but they're going to promote it. And remember, marketing. They're going to tell you what they want you to think. One of the things that I noticed on the container was it said 12 weeks for any results. 12 weeks is a really long time to wait for results for a product, which tells me it's going to have a very low absorbability, just because there's an expectation already set that it's going to take 12 weeks to get results. That's just their first blend. The second blend they have is more being advertised as like an antioxidant. It's got an antioxidant in it. It's a very low amount. There's no biotin, no hyaluronic acid again. They've got synthetic vitamin A in it, synthetic vitamin C in it, in low dosage. Low dosage, I mean, it's like a mid-range dose. It's not low, but at the same time, they're using ascorbic acid. they're using a synthetic vitamin A. So you can't actually put a high amount in there because it could cause problems with your body. But anyways, this one is, again, the same type of collagen. It's written in 3 different times on the label, which is super, super weird. So it's actually written as collagen hydrolysate one place on the label with 5 grams, and then it's written collagen peptides broken out twice at 2.5 grams, which is super weird. Why would you break it out? Probably because they're sourcing it from multiple sources, and some of the sources are probably lower quality. That's my guess. I don't know for sure because I'm not the manufacturer. I'm just saying that it's super weird that you would break it out, and it's super weird that you would use the lowest quality of formulas. And the like skin and hide combined, that sort of thing. So there is an antioxidant in there. It is low. It's not going to do a whole bunch. I'm just looking. I'm trying to remember what it's called. Oh man, what's it called again? Hold on. Let me get it for you. It's like a weird word that I can't say. So I had to actually look up what it was because I was like, I've never seen this weird word before. So anyways, there's only 4 milligrams of it. It is not enough to actually provide antioxidant support. 4 milligrams is not enough. Maybe that ingredient has some great studies behind it, but I guarantee you it is not actively going to do anything for you at 4 milligrams. I looked up the price point. Both collagens that they sell is the same price. It's 24 cents per gram of peptide, which is super cheap. But like I just showed you, like the sourcing of ingredients is super cheap, and there's just a lack of cofactors for your body to actually get very good support from the collagen. And this collagen brand is Melaleuca. So there you go. You have it. Number 14. I'll be back tomorrow with number 15. I'm going to break for the weekend, going away, but I will see you next week.